All right, we're going to talk about what it takes to do some of your lightweight modifications to your factory Tikka parts. I'm going to start with this bolt here. And this would be useful for cleaning purposes as well. So this top part here is going to actually, this is how you take everything apart. You got to start by rotating this. Just kind of get a good grip on there. You notice it's got a little notch that the little detent is going to be resting in. You got to get a good grip on it. Just give that a twist till it pops it out of that notch. You're going to twist it around until you feel it just kind of give, and the cap itself is gonna come off. So I didn't weigh it in my previous video. This is going to be the heavier, the steel end cap here. 30.1 ounces, in case anybody's counting. Okay, so once you get to that point, you want to take some sort of a small diameter tool, like a little Allen or something, just small enough it can fit between the gap that's created there. Okay, and you're going to twist that back until it pops into that first notch, and then you're going to keep going until it pops down into the second notch, the lower notch. Now, you'll notice that is now under tension, and you don't want to take that out. You want to leave that back in there and give you some leverage to get it back in. So at this point, if it's lined up properly, sometimes these things are a little tight. Anyways, you got to work your factory knob out. Okay, and if that's all you're doing is just swapping those knobs, then your new knob, you can, it basically is again a drop-in fit. You're just going to line that back up, and then you're going to twist this back into place and twist it all the way back to that first position where it lines up with the end cap here. Put your end cap back on, twist, when you got to put pressure against the spring and twist it back to the click, the little square detent notch, and you're done. That's as simple as that. If you'd like, while you've got it taken apart, you can pull your firing pin out, inspect that. Place, pull that out. Once the handle is removed, you can pull the whole mechanism free, and you can do whatever you need to. If you need to clean it, inspect it for any damage, put that back in. In this case, I want to put the factory knob back together. Clips in place. Rotate around. Until you'll feel it kind of come to a little bit of a, if you're gentle with it, you'll feel a little stop right there. You can pull that out. Slide the cap back on so it's making contact with the bottom. Rotate till it drops into the notch, and you're done. That's it. Okay, so the next thing we can make a modification of here, make myself a little bit more room, is let's swap out the trigger screw. Make sure I've got the right size Allen. Oh, that's going to need a bigger one than that. Of course, I'm going to find the right one here. start me over.